How a broken sump pump can ruin your day, what you need to know. A sump pump is your home's unsung hero, quietly keeping your basement dry and your worries at bay. But when that crucial system fails, the results can quickly turn into a homeowner's nightmare. Here's how a broken sump pump can throw your day into chaos, and how to avoid it with the help of professional plumbing services. Sump pump problems that spell trouble. 1. Sump pump not pumping at all. 2. Sump pump motor stuck and working non-stop. 3. Backup sewer water and flooding. Why you need professional service from a licensed plumber when your sump pump isn't working as it should. A quick fix might seem tempting, but it's best to leave it to the professionals. A licensed plumber can diagnose the problem quickly and accurately, repair or replace your sump pump to ensure reliable performance, inspect and maintain critical components, like the check valve and discharge line, to prevent future issues. At Emergency Plumbing, we specialize in sump pump repair and replacement, ensuring your home stays protected from water damage. Keep your sump pump running smoothly. Regular maintenance is the key to avoiding unexpected sump pump failures. Here's how you can keep things running smoothly. Test your pump regularly to ensure it's operational. Clean the sump pit to remove debris that can clog the system. Schedule routine inspections with a licensed plumber to catch potential problems early. Phone 224-754-1984.